Okay, how are you all? Yeah. Okay, so I want to specially appreciate each and everyone for your dedication and for your commitment. So, just everybody raise your right hand, sir. Raise your right hand. Bend to the left side. Left side bend cheyandi. Tap on your shoulder. I am the best. Yeah. Say, I am the best. Yeah. We are the best teachers. We are doing the best job, sir. Compared to the other jobs, we are doing the best job. We are doing with our heart. Do you agree, sir?
Yes, I agree.
Yes. We are dealing with English language. My name is A. Jyotirmai. I am from Aler Mandal, sir. My working place is MPPS Golankonda. Our classroom, we are building next generation. So it's a responsible role we are playing. Okay. Once I want to remind our Sarvapalli Radhakrishna's words that in classroom itself, generation of next generation will be developed. So we are taking the role of building next generation. Okay, sir. Coming to language. What is language?
To express our feelings.
It's a media to express our feeling. So thoughts, opinions. Okay. Experiences. Bim ba, bidi bidi ba. Again. Bim ba, bidi bidi ba. Bidi bam, bidi bam, bidi bidi bam. Okay, bam. Adi naadi coordination raatledu, meedi raavali correct ga. Okay. Maybe I may be wrong, but you have to do right. Okay. Right, sir. Again. Bim bam, bim bam, bidi bidi bam. Bim bam, bidi bidi bam. Bidi bam, bidi bidi bam, bim bam. Nenu paadta meer cheyandi. Okay. Bidi bam, bidi bidi bam, bim bam. Okay, little faster. Bim bam, bidi bidi bam, bim bam, bidi bidi bam, bidi bam, bidi bidi bam, bim bam. With action. Okay, we are dealing with language, sir. Language is a media of expression. Okay, still any more? What is language? How can we acquire the language? Sir? By interacting with others.
By language.
Sir?
Language.
By language.
By science.
By science. Okay. Acquiring. Learn from the surroundings. Surroundings. Mana chuttupakala unna vaati gurinchi. Even our textbook is constructed in that mode. Learning from our surroundings. Okay. Learning English naturally. Acquiring is happening in a natural way, sir. Memorizing or practicing repetition, that is not we are doing. Generally, we are just making the children to learn naturally from the surroundings. That is the way our textbook is also formed. Atlane chesaru kada. So first class, if you open the first class page, textbook, first it is child comes from the family to the first step in the school. So they will learn about the family. What they will learn? They know the mother tongue. Now they have to adapt to our English world here. So natural. How we will introduce the family? They will tell children. If you show the picture, they will tell all the names in our mother tongue. Okay. Mother tongue. We'll megaphone. This is our practice we are doing. So what is English, sir? What is the importance of English? Can anyone? What is the importance of English? Yes, English is an international language. Sir?
Link language.
It's a link language.
Universal.
Universal language. Okay. Sir? Window of the world. Yes, sir. Yes.
Most of the knowledge of the world is in the form of English language.
Yes, most of the language knowledge. Okay.
Computer language.
Computer to get the employment. So various sources are there.
Its favorite language.
Favorite language also. That's what we introduced in our government schools also. Okay. So, sir. It is a demanded language. That's what it is. It has become very important. And we have our government schools are also now we are teaching in English medium only. Sir. Yeah. Internationally it is important. Internationally also it is important. That's why it is given importance in our constitution also. In our constitution, we love our Telugu. It is our life. We are living in the Telugu world, so it is very important. So we have to support our language. In spite of supporting our language, we have to update. So there is a need for acquiring English knowledge, English language also. So that's what it is very important. So we are dealing with our children. How to acquire? We know everyone is trying to adopt English language. We are all doing that. How we are doing, sir? How we are doing? We are trying to learn English. How we are doing, sir? Anyway, how we are trying to acquire the knowledge?
Various from newspapers,
Listening. By listening.
and reading.
By speaking. By seeing through the pictures.
Watching movies.
By watching movies also we are trying to acquire the knowledge. By reading also. Newspaper. Story books also. So while coming to our textbook, a short recap about our FLN trainings before what we have taken. If you see, there are various components in our textbook. Various components are printed in our textbook so that they are developing the discourse oriented pedagogy. సో డిస్కస్ ఓరియంటెడ్గా ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్ని న్యాచురల్గా పిల్లల్లో ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయడానికి మన టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో వేరియస్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. కెన్ ఎనీవన్ సే హౌ మెనీ కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? వాట్ ఆర్ ద కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఇన్ అవర్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్? ఫేస్ షీట్ అనేది ఒక కాంపోనెంట్ సార్. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ సే దిస్ ఇస్ నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి దిస్ ఇస్ ఆఫ్టర్ ద బ్రిడ్జింగ్ గ్యాప్ యాక్టివిటీస్ విల్ హ్యావ్ ద face sheet. Okay, face sheet is the first component, and next this is a listening picture, listening text ki related picture, and we will have the listening text at the back of the textbook in the appendix 1. That is also is one of the component. And coming to A reading and B reading, they are also our components. And next in the so we can divide that into three stages, that is pre-reading, while reading and post-reading. Coming to pre-reading, we'll have the face sheet and the listening text, what we have just seen. And coming to the while reading, under the while reading, emo say sir? A reading, we'll have the A reading and the B reading. So we know the process of dealing with the A reading, ade chunks chesukodam anta. That is, we'll see. We already know. We'll see in the other sessions. So we are talking about the components now. So we have seen the text. Pre-reading lo we have the face sheet, almost listening text, and coming to the while reading, we have seen the A reading and the B reading. In coming to the post reading, what are the components in the post reading, sir?
Some activities are there.
Activities backside the lesson. What are the activities? Vocabulary, grammar, sir? Conventions of writing, creative expression, yes, project works. These are all the components. These are the components developed in such that they are allowing the children to develop the oral comprehension, listening comprehension, and reading comprehension, writing comprehension. Everything we are developing through these components. Okay, and how many discourses are there? You can see at the back side of the lesson, sir. Manaki ikkada vastayi discourses. వాట్ ఆర్ దే స్టోరీ టెల్లింగ్, స్టోరీస్ వస్తాయి అందులో, కన్వర్జేషన్స్ వస్తాయి, పోస్టర్స్, రెసిపీస్, ఎస్ రైమ్స్. ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆర్పీస్ యా సార్, అది లేదు సార్.
Please show that slide.
నో సార్, దట్స్
all are which
Sir?
are helpful to improve our English language. Those are all
9 ఉన్నాయి సార్.
discourses only.
We have the 9 discourses here. So in discourses are like description, so conversation anamata, conversation, description, stories, rhymes, posters, recipes, messages, slogans, skits. Yes.
Whichever helps to improve our language, those are called discourses.
Yes, sir.
Whatever it
Right,
may
sir.
be.
So
Don't
that
remember.
are used to develop the discourse oriented
Pedagogy.
language, pedagogy.
Discourse
అవన్నీ కూడా discourse oriented pedagogy కి సపోర్ట్ చేస్తాయి సార్, టు డెవలప్ ద లాంగ్వేజ్ ఇన్ ఎ న్యాచురల్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్.
Yes. Discourse oriented pedagogy.
Discourse
means
oriented pedagogy.
which are helpful to
DOP.
improve our language and our learning. Those are all discourses, whatever it may be, descriptions,
So
letter
these are
writing
the
and
components
thought
of
and
textbooks. Are coming to the textbook. This is a short recap. దానికి పీపీటీ లేదు. ఓకే, మనం ఒకసారి రికాప్ చేసుకోవాలి వాట్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ అవర్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ అనేది, అండ్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ లెసన్ కూడా మనకి ఒక ఐడియా ఉండాలనేసి. కమింగ్ టు ఎఫ్ఎల్ఎన్ సార్, ఎఫ్ఎల్ఎన్లో
What is the actual meaning of discourse, madam?
డిస్కోర్స్ అంటే
discourse.
yes sir, no
This
it's
is
not a
nothing
course.
but something, not there.
డిస్కోర్స్ అంటే వే ఆఫ్ మీడియా ఆఫ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ సార్, లాంగ్వేజ్ మాట్లాడి
That is
కన్వర్జేషన్,
also whatever it may be.
Yeah.
Whether it is
ఇవన్నీ ఈ టైప్ డిస్కషన్.